Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a plain disk in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane, so we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and we'll select here 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, we are going to make the rectangle. Go to dimension, define this as 48 and define this also as 48 again. Now finish sketch, take extrude of 3.5 mm. Okay, so this will be a single direction extrude towards direction 1 and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command. From this center point here, we are going to draw a circle of dia 42 and go to 3D model, take extrude. This time we are going to take extrude of 1.5 mm and press OK. Okay, now we want to cut the grooves, so go to origin. Here we are going to select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the inner profiles. Go to sketch, take the line command. We'll start from here, make one profile here till here. Okay, now we will go down here, define this and here and this and join till this and make it a closed profile. Okay, now escape. So this whole is a complete profile. Go to dimension, define this, so it will be automatically given as 1.5. Define this as 1.5. Now define this length here from the center. This will be of 19 mm. Okay, so this will be equal to 19 also, so it will be defined automatically. Escape, go to dimension, define this center as 6 mm. Okay, and escape. So this is the final sketch. You can see this is a fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Here go to revolve. So this sketch will be automatically selected. Click here cut, and for axis select this as axis of rotation. So this will cut this profile and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now when I rotate this, you can see one cutout here and one cutout here. So these cutouts are of dia 38 and this is of dia 12. Go to 3D model. Here now we want to make the whole profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command. Now in this we are going to make all the profiles in construction geometry. So we'll click here construction. So every part which we will make here will be in construction geometry. Now here we will take one circle of dia 28. You can see the dotted lines. From this same center, dia 48. Okay. Now here go to line command, make a center line, and here make one center line and till here. Okay. Go to dimension, define this line at 45 degree and escape. Okay, now take a point command, make one point on this circle, make one point on this circle and escape. Now I want 4 points, so I'll go to circular pattern, select this, go to axis, select any circle, and here we are going to take a count of 4 and the angle will remain 360 degree and press OK. Okay, now finish sketch. So this is the sketch we will use. Go to hole command, Now it will automatically select all the point commands. So we'll deselect this. Okay. Now we'll select the inner first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. And we'll select here tabbed hole. We'll change the type. I'll take here isometric profile. The size will be 3 mm and design will be M3 into 0.5 pitch and class 6H. This will be a through hole and press OK. Okay. Now you can see the cosmetic threads. Now go to hole and select sketch 4 and here we will turn on the visibility. Okay. Now we'll click on hole command once again. Now this time the software will automatically select the outer hole profiles. Okay. This time I want a plain hole, so I'll click on simple hole. This will be also a through hole and this will be a dia of 3.5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now I don't want this sketch. Select sketch 4 and turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to define the corners. Go to circle, select this point command and here we are going to construct a circle of diameter 56 mm and scale. Now you can see this is in solid profile. Now go to line and make a joining profile here and till here and scale. Now go to trim this, trim here, or okay, you can do this escape. Go to dimension, define this as 28. So this is defined as the radius. Okay. Now go to this circular pattern, select this profile. Okay. Go to axis, here select this point and give a count of 4. So it will automatically adjust on all the 4 corners and press OK. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, here select all the profiles, take here cut or direction 2 you can take. So it will automatically take cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut profile and press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the appearance. From here I'll take the light red. Here you can see the light red color. Okay. So this will be the view. Now if you want to change the view, go to view, click on shadow and reflection, go to 3D model. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a disk part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.